The Acer screen is very easy to be replaced. I like to use one of those plastic spacers that we use to open cell phones to remove the outer covering of the screen. It's just clips that hold it, so there's no screws attached to it. There are then 4 screws that needs to be removed, one from each side, and they are Phillips. There's a plastic sticker at the back that keeps the pins in place. You remove that and then the screen is out. Here is our new screen. Let's see what we have in the box. Just be careful when unpackaging this, because you don't want to crack it or scratch it. Looks good. But I like to line up my old screen, my new screen, to make sure that the screw holes are the same and the pins at the back match. We are now going to reattach the pins, carefully repasting that sticky bit at the back. We'll then reinstall the new screen. But before we do that, I like to turn on the computer and make sure that the screen is working. As long as I'm satisfied that my screen is working properly, I reinstall the screws. Remove the protective film that came with the screen. Then replace our screen cover, squeezing the edges, making sure that you hear that pop. There are some clips that needs to reconnect. Gently press the edges to make sure it's seated properly. I open and close it to make sure the hinges are properly fitted and nothing is obstructing the laptop from closing and opening. As long as I'm satisfied, I then test my screen again. I put it